Hey guys, how you doing? Today I just wanted to show off the design that I made for an automatic mystical agriculture farm. This requires a bit of resources, but you should be able to, once you get your hands on, you should be able to essentially just manually farm your way up to this point, because as soon as you get one of these units you can pretty much really fast gain resources. But it's actually only 3 blocks wide, infinitely scalable long, as long as you get the resources for it. And it all links back to these these pipes here, which will supply everything that you need, and also the output pipe here. So yeah, essentially, what it does is it has down here there are plant sowers which automatically plant in these hydroponic beds. And the hydroponic beds need a constant supply of water and ether, and that speeds up the growing process tremendously to the rate that you see now. It's essentially bone meal, but with much less cost. Now the plant gatherers here automatically just destroy the plant once it's fully ripe, and it'll create sludge. The sludge shouldn't be a problem. You can siphon that if you need to. It's just a byproduct. It won't actually destroy the machine. Otherwise, it needs power supplied by these cables, and that just goes all the way up into the output chest here. You can see there's quite a lot in there. So these pipes are the output pipes, the red ones. The input pipes here, you can input just the amount of just seeds that you want to grow things of. It can be any type. Each one is individual. As we can see, this one's not working because there's something wrong with the pipes, but it should work fine as long as you have the pipes done correctly. And also at the end here you have one hydroponic bed, because the hydroponic beds are all connected to each other. So to supply the ether and water, and you actually only need to supply them into one at the end, and they kind of siphon through like a plant bed, I guess. So at the end here we have this one, which is supplied with the water and the ether. So yeah, it's quite compact, it's quite nice, it's a good design. They're all upgraded with speed tier 2, but you really don't need that. It should still be quite fast. Fast enough for everyday use. And you can see the items coming in quite nicely. And because it's infinitely scalable, if you want, you can just continue this going. This is like 4 units. But imagine having rows of this, rows and rows and rows. You could get so much raw material out of that to build things, which is what I'm hoping for. So, that's it for now. Thank you very much.